Grabe talaga, grabe. Ang galing.
Diggity 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 hey. Diggity 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 hey.
Grabe talaga, grabe. Ang galing.
Diggity 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 hey. Diggity 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 hey.
What's up, guys? Duel of Legends. Siyempre, sa pangunguna ng ating pinagtititaga ng Efren, the Magician Reyes kontra Ralph Sokey, mga kaibigan. At siyempre, nandito tayo sa ika-15 Sargo na may score na 8-6 in favor of Efren Bata Reyes.
Okay, he's just going to lay the two down. Just didn't feel like it was easy to do that. Felt like Efren's going to have something pretty sweet from there.
Nagbigay ng placing
Uh-oh.
si Magic Man, subalit kita. Kitang-kita ang uwit, mga kaibigan, lalo-lalo na ang butas. Ika nga, mayroon tayong tinatawag na bugtong-bugtong, nagtago si Pedro, labas ang ulo, mga kaibigan. Ganon ang nangyari sa placing ni Efren Bata Reyes, na ngayon ay mukhang nabigyan ng pagkakataon itong si Ralph Sokey para makapuntos, sapagkat napakaganda ng kalat ng mga bola sa ibabaw ng lamesa. Panoorin natin, mga kaibigan, sapagkat napakaganda at napakatindi ng bakbakang ito.
Yeah, I was referring to the two ball. The touch from the 2 to the 3 was great. Here he's over the 7, as you mentioned. Awkward. Pretty good there. Fresh cloth. This is always a little bit of a tricky shot for me with the outside ball. You really want to reduce the amount of spin you put on this. Unless you're refereeing, of
It's
course.
easy to hammer the ball in, right? But you
Yes.
never get position. But to slow roll this with spin, Great job.
Yeah, you get the feeling this match is a long way from over. A really good hit there as well. Game number 15. Barring any miracle, will go to Suke. Back within one.
Diggity 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 hey. Diggity 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 diggity.
Pasok doon, pasok dito, may pasok dito, may hirap na naman. Saan? Ito ha, may gusto pagka tutulungan ng pamahal.
Diggity 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 hey.
1996 World 9-ball
Diggity
champion.
diggity 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 hey.
I remember watching that. It was in Sweden, Borlänge, Sweden, where he beat Tom Storm, I think,
Tom
11-0 or 11-1 in the final.
All right. At dito sa break, ni Ralph Suke ay may
It's a roll
pumasok
here, didn't get it.
na isang bola, mga kaibigan.
Yeah, that felt like a really nice hit once again.
Kitang-kita
Maybe
nyo ha,
just a little
diretsong-diretso
too heavy on the one.
ang uno bolas
It's gonna be the
sa
one
butas.
here, right? There's no
Ang problema nga lamang ay ang dos bolas ay
What is he gonna leave?
maybe a
shot
kick.
number two?
Yeah, maybe.
nakakubli
I think that's probably best.
sa 4
Or in the upper right corner.
at nagbigay ng push out shot itong si Ralph Suke kay Efren Reyes.
If he can use some type of a high ball, which will
Tingnan
act as
natin
well.
kung tatanggapin
But he hasn't
ni Reyes ang hamon
getting real good results.
ni
on
Ralph
these
Suke.
kick shots.
Abay tinanggap, mga kaibigan.
Yeah, well, let's
Iba
see.
si Reyes.
This is when it really matters.
Matapang. Tingnan natin. Ayan na.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know that he played that, Thorsten, but we'll give it to him. He was trying to kind of stick the cue ball down by the 6 there, I believe, and just caught it a little bit thick. He'll take it.
Sabi nga ni Efren Reyes,
To close out the match.
kapag ang isang mahirap na tirada ay naipasok mo,
Out of the lower right, gonna be steep to the upper
madali
left,
na
I believe.
ang mga susunod na tirada.
We got a lot of
Yan ang
sevens
kanyang
to go
salitang
tonight.
binitawan. Ngunit sa puntong ito ay tumama sa 7 ang bola imano, kaya nagkaroon ng malayong tirada si Reyes para sa 4 bolas. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung sa layong iyan ay
Back and forth.
maipapasok
Easy
ni
to let
Reyes
up on
ang
this swing.
4
He
bolas.
can't kill it right now.
Eto
He has
na.
to really hit it clean and
Eto na.
with speed. Well done.
Very
Suwak
well.
na suwak, mga
Does the
kaibigan.
7 play in the left
At sa
side.
lahat na nakakapanood ng mga
I believe it
upload
does. You'd have to
ni
get
Mr.
pretty
F
good on it.
TV, huwag niyo po sanang kalimutang pindutin ang like,
He's even worried about the 7 game.
subscribe para ma-notify sa mga susunod na upload ni Alamat Billiard. Alalahanin po natin,
Wow.
hindi naman
It's
si Mr.
probably
F
the
ang
cleanest
bida
strike he's
dito,
had. I think he wanted a
kundi
pretty big hit
walang dilid
versus
iba,
being flat.
kundi
Hit a cue ball up towards the middle
si
here.
Magic
It's
Man
okay.
Efren Bata Reyes. Sa mga magla-like at magsusubscribe, salamat sa iyo, kaibigan. Tuloy tayo. Last 3 balls. Si Efren Bata
That's another
Reyes.
rotations, but sure.
Lusot kaya ang 7 bolas? Panoorin nating mabuti mga kaibigan.
Looked like it played, but he's not going to play position for this corner this way if it doesn't go. Oh, the GOAT. 71 years old. And the crowd, they're going to love it. Is he going to four-rail this? I don't
I
think
wouldn't be
so.
surprised. No?
I don't think so. And he's done it. 71 years young. Efren Bata Reyes at the Legends Cup has won